Hey boys and girls, it's Mrs. Holman here, and we're going to practice ordering these 4 numbers. It says 4 friends collected stickers. Write the names in order from greatest number of stickers to least number of stickers. I'm going to get a better pen. So just like we did with our chart practice at school, we're going to kind of do the same thing here. First, I'm going to put all my numbers on a place value chart. So I'm going to go ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Go next. Place value, place value. Place value is the best. Now I'm going to put all 4 numbers on my place value chart. And I'll start with Coleman, 1,200. So there's 1 in the thousands place, 2 in the hundreds place, 0 and 0 in both the tens and the ones. Then I move to Edward, 1,101. 1,100, 0 tens, and 1 1. Matthew has 1,028 for his number, so it's 1 in the thousands place, 0 hundreds, 2 tens, and 8 ones. And then Meyer has 986. So he has no thousands, a 9 in the hundreds place, 8 in the tens place, and a 6 in the ones place. We need to go from greatest to least. So that means we need to go from biggest to smallest number. When we compare, we always start in our greatest place value, which is here in the thousands place. I see 1, 1, and 1. All the ones are equal, so that tells me I need to move to the hundreds place. I see a 2, a 1, a 0, and a 9. I know that this number cannot be included because there is no thousand. So I'm really just looking at the 3 above my pen. I know that of these 3 choices, 2 is greater than 1 and 0. So that means that 1,200 is going to be the greatest number. So I'm going to put a 1 next to it up there. Then I move on to my next greatest number, and I do the same thing again. I start in the thousands place. 1 and 1 are equal. Then I move to the tens place. 1 is bigger than 0. So that means 1,101 is going to be my second number. Now I move on again. I have 1,028 and 986. I automatically know this number is bigger because there is no thousands in the next number. And then my last number for Meyer. So I know that if I were to make my list, I would have Coleman, Edward, Matthew, and then Meyer. All right, boys and girls, I'll see you next time.